Good evening, dear friends. Today we are starting the new chapter macromolecules. In macromolecules, we generally include carbohydrate, protein, amino acids, and lipids and polymers. First, we talk about the carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are the compound that are known as carbon hydrates of carbon, CnH2n. This is the general formula. The maximum compounds come in this category. Some are the exception, like we talk about the acetic acid is also in this parts C2H4O2, but not carbohydrate. Like rhamnose is C6H12O5. This is not a carbohydrate. So second definition of carbohydrate is, you can say, optically active polyhydroxy or polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketones. This is the second definition. Now we talk about the classification of carbohydrate: monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. The general test for monosaccharide is known as Mollis reagent. Mollis test is used. In this, Mollis reagent is dropped in sample solution, and there is formation of violet ring at the junction of two layers above and below. Classification of carbohydrate: monosaccharides are the monosugars which cannot be hydrolyzed further, and they are known as triose if carbon is 3, tetrose if carbon is 4, pentose if carbon 5, and hexose if carbon 6. Triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose. These are the monosaccharides. These all are the reducing sugars and give positive Fehling and Tollens test. So these are known as reducing sugars. Here the general formula for these: there are two types of aldohexose and aldoketohexose. These are the two forms. If we talk about the triose, glyceraldehyde or dihydroxyacetone. Glyceraldehyde is found in optically two form, D and L glyceraldehyde as the basis of configuration. D if the OH is right side, L if the OH is left side is generally given. Next, we will study about the next sugar of diglyceride. We will go on tetrose. Diglyceride give two threose L form and erythrose D form. Again means there are two other forms of these sugars. We can conclude threose and erythrose, D and L threose, D and L erythrose. The threose and erythrose are the epimer of each at carbon 2 C2. Now further we can divide C3. 3 means number of chiral carbon in this. Here we will go for this. Here C3 means, here erythrose will convert ribose and arbinose, and threose will convert in lysose and xylose. There are total 4 sugar of D and 4 sugar of L configuration, means C2 3 the power 8, total 8 will be there. If we go on hexose, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 4 means total 8. As you know, ribose will go allose and altriose, and second arbinose will go glucose and mannose, xylose will go glucose and galactose, and lysose will go xylose will go glucose and tallose. And there are iodose, tallose, glucose and galactose. These are the total 8, means double 16. Now we talk about the disaccharide. There are 3 reducing and 2 non-reducing. Lactose, maltose and arbinose are the reducing sugar. Trehalose and sucrose is the reducing sugar. Non-reducing sugar, sucrose is known as table sugar. If we talk about the oligosaccharide, 2 to 10 molecules of monosaccharides. Disaccharide will produce 2 monosaccharide. And if we go for the polysaccharides, then there will be a starch, cellulose and glycogens are the example of polysaccharide. Starch give the test positive with iodine blue test. Cellulose is beta glucose polymer known as the, and glycogen alpha. Starch will convert into amylose and amylopectose. Amylopectin, amylose is alpha helix and amylopectin is branched chain. These are the basic hair carbohydrates. Qualitative test: moles for carbohydrate, failing tolerance chip test for hair reducing and non-reducing sugar. Barcode test distinguishing monosaccharide and disaccharides. So these are the different tests. Benedict, you can also hear these, simply use here for this purpose.